Imagine creating hyper-realistic images with stunning detail and depth and doing it all for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use realistic Flux Lora to generate jaw-dropping visuals and even how to train it yourself for ultimate customization. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, get ready to take your creativity to a whole new level. Flux Lora models are getting a lot of attention right now, and for good reason. They create incredibly lifelike, realistic images. In this video, I'll walk you through a platform where you can find a wide range of Flux Lora models, and I'll even show you how to train your very own model. I'm excited to dive into this, so let's get started. The platform we'll be using is called Shakker AI, an all-in-one tool for everything AI. With Shakker AI, you have access to tools like Automatic 1111, Comfy UI, and even the ability to train your own Lora models. And it doesn't stop there. This platform also provides checkpoints for stable diffusion models, making it a complete solution for your creative AI needs. As I scroll down, you'll see an endless list of Flux Lora models covering all sorts of styles. From battle mage and fantasy themes to anime, photorealism, cinematic, film photography, gaming styles, animation, manga, and even 3D models, it's all here. The platform's flexibility to let users train their own models means you'll find a wide range of impressive, community-generated models. It's truly a treasure trove for anyone looking to explore diverse visual styles. If you're looking for a specific checkpoint or model, just click on the All-Type filter to narrow it down. For example, you can filter by models like Stable Diffusion 3.5L, SD 3.5M, SD version 2.1, SDXL, Stable Diffusion 3, Flux, and more, including options like Colors, Playground version 2, and Lumina. This platform really offers almost every AI image generator you might need. Since we're focusing on Flux AI, I'll go ahead and apply that filter. Now, we have a full list of Flux-specific checkpoints and Lora models, and as I scroll, you can see there's no shortage. It's practically endless. I don't think there's any other place with this variety of Lora models for Flux AI. Let's try a few, like this film photography style model. Check out the demo images. The quality is stunning, with a true cinematic feel. To use a model, just click on Run Model and you'll see the interface open up. Here, you have the prompt section, and on the right side, you can see the active model. You can adjust the model's strength, which is set to 0.8 by default. I'd recommend keeping it there for balanced results. You also have options like Control Pose for added customization, similar to what you'd find in Stable Diffusion. For image customization, you can select the aspect ratio, number of images, sampling steps, seed, and CFG scale. If you've used Stable Diffusion before, these settings should feel familiar. Now, let's give it a prompt: a woman wearing a red tank top with short hair, sitting on a heavy bike, and hit generate. For 4 images, this will cost about 36 credits. If you're on the free plan, you'll get 200 credits daily, allowing you to generate 20 to 25 images per day, which is a good amount. Occasionally, new signups offer up to 400 daily credits. Here are the results. Let's look at each in widescreen. The first image is very impressive. The skin tones look natural. This is the second, the third, and the fourth. While these are incredibly realistic, there's a slight shininess on the skin that some may not prefer. To fix this, try increasing the weight value to 2, which is the maximum. Let's regenerate the images with this setting. Here are the updated results. As you can see, they're even more realistic, and the shininess is gone, giving us a perfectly natural look. The skin texture here is quite detailed and less smooth than in the previous images, giving a more textured look. Here's another output, and it's equally realistic, perfect for removing that shininess effect in images. Next, let's try out the film photo style. Just look at the example images. The quality is stunning, with skin texture and tones that look incredibly realistic, capturing that cinematic, film style aesthetic. To use this style, simply select Run Model and you'll see the familiar interface. In the prompt section, let's enter a beautiful Asian couple on a Thailand street at night. Film photography, cool tone. I'll set a higher weight value and enable improved prompt to add extra detail. Here are the results. Initially, they came out a bit dull with the higher weight, so I've reduced it to around 0.6. Now, the images look amazing, like genuine film photos. Look at the background, skin textures, and overall color tone. It's really impressive. Here's another output that turned out beautifully, along with one more. Although there's a minor detail that could be better in one of the images, overall, the results are stunningly realistic. But this AI tool offers much more than just image generation. It includes built-in in-painting, an upscaler, background remover, outpainting, and even a cropping tool. There's also an image face sampler, giving you lots of creative flexibility. My favorite feature is the creative upscaler. To upscale an image, simply select it and hit the upscale button. Even within the upscaler, there are many customization options to enhance your output further. You can adjust various upscaling parameters, control the strength, style, level of detail, and scale from 2x up to 8x. In the parameter section, you can choose between enhance and extra realistic for this example. I'll select 8x scale and extra realistic for the best possible detail. Let's upscale this image. Here's the upscaled version, and you can see the before and after comparison. Notice the added detail in the background, clothing, skin, and hair. Everything is enhanced without overdoing the skin texture, keeping a natural, controlled look. But feel free to experiment with the sliders to get the look you want. You can also try other realistic Flux Lora models, such as Portrait Style and Cinematic Lora. Both produce highly realistic images. Now, let's look at training your own Lora model. Click on Train a Lora, then select the model you want to use. Since we're working with Flux AI, I'll choose that option. Next, select your checkpoint, and you'll see options for settings like Repeat Epoch. I'll leave these as default. To start, upload images in PNG, JPG, or JPEG format. Here I've gathered a few images of a social media influencer and named them all the same. This naming is key because it sets the trigger word for the model. I'll upload 4 images, but the more you upload, the better the results. After uploading, select crop and tag, then pick your image and assign a tag. I'll use Lisa as the tag. Hit prepend align, and now the tag is applied to every image. Click on the right surface to display the next section, then hit start. This will initiate the Lora training process, which can take about 20 to 30 minutes. So sit back, relax, and maybe grab a cup of tea while it completes. Our model training is complete. Select your model, then click Test Lora. Now we have the interface ready. Under the model section, we'll select our custom trained model, and I'll slightly increase the settings. For the prompt, I'll type in our trigger word, Lisa, with a description like Lisa wearing a tank top, and hit generate. Here's our output from the Lora model. Just look at that. It's almost 90% identical to our character. Here's the original image of our influencer, and you can see just how close the resemblance is. In fact, the AI-generated image might look even more polished with DSLR quality details and a super upscaled resolution. The hair, skin texture, and overall detail are amazing. Let's download this image. I also generated a couple more images. Take a look at these 8K Super HD results. Here's another elegant image of Lisa standing in a public space with a prompt of Lisa is wearing a red tank top. Another prompt example, Lisa is wearing a blue tank top standing on the beach. And here's a cinematic one. Lisa is wearing a yellow tank top, watching a movie, looking a bit scared, or Lisa in a white nightgown, waiting at the doorstep. With our trained Lora model, we can now create unlimited images just like these. And if you want to explore pre-trained Lora models for highly realistic results, there's a large selection available. For free plan users, you get 200 daily credits, but upgrading to premium is worth it if you're working on a larger project. Check out the link in the description below for more details on their plans. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about creating and using custom Lora models on Flux AI. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch the new best AI video generator, image to video, text to video AI generator, click on the left. If you're interested in the Hyper AI 2.0 tutorial and best AI video generator, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.